Hey guys, it is Monday, December 17th. I got home from mailing out some orders, and I also went to a local craft store where I bought some supplies to make handmade notebooks. So today I hope to make handmade notebooks as Christmas gifts. And I think now I'm going to make some lunch. But first I want to show you the handmade ornaments that I finished a few days ago. Here are the ornaments. These are ones that have not sold yet. I am very happy how they turned out. For these, I transferred prints of my artwork onto wood. So these shapes I got from Michael's, and I also got some from an Etsy store that sells wood shapes. So my staple is not wide enough to staple in the middle of these notebooks, which kind of sucks. I even made this notebook smaller, hoping that my staple will fit to staple the middle part, but it didn't. So tomorrow when I go Christmas shopping, I will look for a staple that I hope will be big enough to staple these notebooks. So I guess I'll have to finish them later. Hey guys, so I just finished Christmas shopping this morning, and I was so exhausted when I got home. I took a nap and I figured out my staple problem. I went to Staples and they didn't really have a big stapler that I think would fit to staple the middle of my notebook. If that even makes sense. Does that make sense? Anyways, so the solution is to make a smaller notebook. So I will be making smaller notebooks instead. I am really embarrassed to show you my notebook that I just finished. Actually, it's not even finished. I'm just not going to completely finish it because it's awful. But I didn't even staple. Can you even see it? I didn't even staple in the middle of the bind. It's like on the side. And I had to cut the pages to make it smaller, and it's not even like, yeah, it's like the worst notebook ever, and I'm not even going to finish it. Now at least I made this notebook for me, so I'm glad I made mine first, so that I could test it out first and figure out what I want to do for the other notebooks that I'm giving as gifts. So I'm glad I did mine first because it is so awful. Anyways, I'm going to finish, or hopefully finish at least, a few of the notebooks today. This notebook turned out so much better than I thought it would turn out. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so cute. My niece will love it, I think. I hope. Hey guys, before I finish the handmade notebooks, I want to show you my Frannerd order. She has a YouTube channel as well, and I bought some of her stuff for a gift for my friend, so I thought I would unbox it and show you guys what I got. I got her monthly calendar where you can put the month here and the dates here, and you can just fill it out and plan out your month, so I thought that was kind of cool. I also got a print of her Sailor Moon illustration because my friend, she loves Sailor Moon, and I just thought she would really like it. And I got some stickers to go with this monthly calendar, and she put a Happy Holidays card in there too, which is cute. I just finished 3 handmade notebooks. This is probably my favorite one of the 3. They're not as good as Jordan Clark's, I have to admit that, but I am pretty happy with them. I hope that later I can finish more, but I think for now I need to work on other things. This week with my art business, it's kind of weird because I'm not only working on my art business, but I'm also like preparing for Christmas and just trying to take it easy and enjoy this time of year. So this vlog is kind of weird. It's not usually, like, this is not usually what I do. I usually don't work on crafty things. I'm usually at my easel or doing other things like that. My goals today are to start editing this vlog. I also need to wrap my friend's gift. She is coming over today, and we're going to a craft store, so I might get some more stuff for these handmade notebooks. And then we are going to dinner and then going to a watercolor class. So that's exciting. I'm really excited. Another thing I want to do is wire the back of a commission painting because I have to deliver that soon. So I want to have the backing done and wrap it up for them. Alright, so I'm going to wire this painting, and it's of a commission of 2 robin birds, 1 male and 1 female. And I wrote the title here, Spring Birds, and my name and date, and I kind of wrote the meaning behind the title on the back of the wood. I made a video on how I wire paintings, so you can find that in the description of this vlog.